Okay, hello guys, Alex here, and in today's video I would like to show you how to search for a bachelor, master degree or a PhD degree. I'm going to use Studyportals. It's a well-known site, and the reason that I'm choosing that is the one that I used when I was searching. And it's a website that if we go to the about page, we can see that it has more than 51 million visitors each year. It has 240,000 listed programs globally, and more than 3.5 thousand featured institutions. So I think it's a good start for someone that just starting to search. And then if we go on the top and we press for students, we can see that we can search for bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. Let's go for the master programs, and here it's just give me some suggestions for me. But if we press here on the left on the top, we can go to the navigation exploration. So let's say I did my master's in computer science. So we can have computer science and IT. And then I did it in Uppsala University. Yes. So if we hit that, then we can see here that here's computer science, Uppsala University, and we can navigate to this view program information. Before I go there, I want just to say that we can have different filters here, like different locations to tuition fee, duration, format, and etc. Also the degree type. So there are much of more information that you can search. So let's go to the computer science that I did, and then here we can navigate and see some information. So first of all, we have the about, the purpose of the computer science specialization for the Uppsala University is to provide a world-class education tailored for each individual. With focus on creativity and problem solving, this master's program prepares you for an advanced international career in industry as well as research, which is true. And then if we navigate a little, so we can see here the tuition fee is free for me. It's the duration is 2 years. The application day is in January. The start day is in September, and the location is in Uppsala in Sweden. And then if we go a little more down, we can see some key information. We have an overview, we have a program structure, admission requirements that are very important, fees, and funding, scholarships, visa information, and work permit. So I'm going to cover all of them. So let's start with the key information. We say that it's for 2 years. It starts in September, and then you will need to apply in 2026 January. Also, if you are choosing this specific program, you will need to have the English certification, either IELTS or 12. I did the 12, and then you can schedule a 12, and that will be when you will be done with that. That will be sent directly to the admission. But that's next steps. Let's see now the overview. Here we have also an overview of Uppsala University, the computer sciences specialization for Uppsala University that lets you customize and tailor your education on your own interests. In my previous video, this is very important information. In my previous video, I mentioned that in this program I had the option to take some courses and then just drop them as a EU also. And this is very important information. Basically, also they say that our wide range of courses in many different subject areas are taught by internationally grounded breaking researchers, giving you the opportunity to be part of the forefront of research and development in the field. For the career, it says that the most graduates choose to work with development and research in data, either at large companies or in small startups. That is true. I've been doing my PhD, and then now I'm working in a company. So, due to the high quality of our educational program and research related course content, we will always be at the forefront of development and have great opportunities to decide on your own future. You will always. Computer science is a very international field, and you will meet colleagues with background in the program across all continents. And that's true. I met a lot of different people from India, for instance, and US, and etc. Our graduates works at, for example, big companies like Ericsson, small innovative startups, or game industry in an international job market. This is very important information. For instance, it gives you a hint where you can do your thesis. I did my master thesis with Ericsson, so this is also a good hint for that. Let's see a bit the program structure. We have 3 courses here written. Among those is data structures and algorithms, AI, advanced computer science studies in Sweden, database design, computer networks, computing education research, and there are plenty more. I think the website of the university can give you a bit more information on that, but I think that covers a little of what is the university about. And I think the most important of these tabs here is the admission requirements. So we're not aware of any specific the grading score requirements for this program, which also mention about the English requirements here and other requirements. So I think when I did it, the main requirements was about the English requirements, the grading system, scale, and then also the general requirements. So you will need this information here. For instance, you will need that in your bachelor degree, you have some credits in, for instance, computer science, including programming, algorithms, and data, computer architecture and operating systems, also mathematics. And also they say that the selection students are selected based on a total appraisal of quantity and quality of the previous university studies and statement of propose. And then there are also some insurance, student insurance here. I remember I got actually the EU card, which I have it somewhere here. Let's see if I can find it. I was not planning for that, but it was something like this. This looks like this. So this is for actually it's until now. I renew it, so it's until 2026. But you will need also to have, when you go there, some insurance for your health. You will need to also have some money as well with that, but let's move on that. So this is basically the English requirement, the requirement that you need from your bachelor. Let's say you need some specific credits, and then student insurance. And now when we go to the fee, I'm always with its tuition fee. Then for EU members, it's free. So also you can read here the European Economic Area tuition fee is applicable to the students from EU countries. Iceland, like I'm going to fail reading that, but I'm trying. I will try my best, guys. Liechtenstein, Norway, and Switzerland. And then you can also see, as I mentioned before, the living costs. So you will expect that you need around from 8,000 to 12,000.7 NOK per month. Here you can see NOK because I have my information in NOK because I'm living in Norway, but you can adjust it and you will see it in euro. Which I should have done it, but maybe I will just put a number how much is in euro. And then also here it says what it covers basically per month accommodation, public transportation, electricity, internet, books, and groceries. So everything that you need. And then it gives you a hint of that you can get a scholarship. You can go to the scholarships and you can see what you can get. I suggest you to check it and apply for that. You can see also the requirements for the visa information. For instance, for me, it's because my nationality is Greek, then I will get this information that I need for my country, so you will get for your own. And then lastly is the work permit. Yes. So basically, here we see that because I'm Greek and this part of EU, then I can work. I have a work permit. And then we have also some information about taxes and residence permits and so on. So basically I'm able to work, so you can like work a little part-time and then you can get some money as well. So yes, this is the website, and then this is how you like searching for different different masters. And then you can go back, or you can like play around that and then try to find different and then compare. Also, if you go to the scholarships, you can I have the link here. You can also see different scholarships. I haven't applied for that, but I suggest you, like, if you are looking forward and you have maybe you would like to receive some scholarship, to apply. You have nothing to lose. So this is the study portals for masters. And then the next part of the video, I would like to talk about how to check the ranking of your university that you are choosing. So I have here the top universities, and I can just go to the main page, and then we can go navigate here in rankings. Close that. Let's zoom a little. Rankings, and then we can go that the world university rankings. And here we can see different universities, like the rank, their score, and etc. So you can also have some more information about the university itself. And maybe I can just do it for Uppsala University. Yes, it's here. So you can see that in this site, the university has a rank of 93, and the overall score is 70.3. And you can compare different universities here. I have also another one, I think, is the Times Higher Education. I already have found the Uppsala University, and I can see the similar information, and I can compare. I can see like up and downs through the years. I can see also what it does for different disciplines. There are also the Shanghai ranking, and here as well you can have similar information. I particularly like that one in a way that gives you also the ranking for the subject. Perhaps also the others have similar information, but for a quick search that I did, at least that one gives you a ranking per subject. So you can see, okay, for instance, computer science and engineering for the Harvard University is in rank 10. Yeah, so when you choose the university, then you need to apply. So how I did it, it was through another website, which is the application website for Sweden, at least. I'm not going through that website, but I'm going to show you how. But I'm going to show you how it looks. So here we have. I'm going to again. We have the admission SE with Sweden, and then if we read here computer science, we can see, for instance, both courses and programs, and we need to choose programs. And then we can see the data science, the masters in software engineering. We can have masters here, and then we can see when is the application. So you will need to register and then select, and then apply. So yeah, through this application. And then if you have any questions, you can send them a question and they will explain you. For instance, I remember I sent them a question about when are my IELTS coming there. Have you received it, and etc. So it's nice to keep a contact and then ask about that. So yeah, this is all about this video. I hope if you are someone that's starting searching for a master or bachelor or a PhD, this is a good way to start. And I hope it was helpful. Please let me know if you would like to see something more. I try to keep these videos short, so just to give you the information that you need to start searching. So bye for now, and see you in the next video.